Guys, I tried screwing Tinder, but they screwed me. How sad it is. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then let me tell you my story. A month back, I made a Tinder bot which randomly swipes people. No, not because I was so desperate of dating girls. It's just because it was fun to travel around the globe by just sitting here and swiping tons and thousands of people every day. If you are interested in knowing how things went, then just stay with me. I am gonna tell you my Tinder journey. Shivam is here, so you don't need to go anywhere. Let's get started. So I saw a video of this guy where he made automated swiping in Python. But I am a JavaScript boy, so I couldn't stop myself. So I took that idea at next level. First, it was just simple bot or program which logged into Tinder using Facebook and liked and disliked people randomly with 75% chances of like. Yup, it was just to get along with Tinder bot detection. Otherwise, I would be liking all the profiles. But Tinder allows only 100 likes a day, so I went for Tinder Plus. Then I started my bot again and it swiped around 20 to 30,000 people, and then it started showing me no more people. So I had the option to change location, which I kept doing manually. I hardly got any matches even after that. Then at evening, there was a thing which Tinder Plus gave me. Yeah, it was Super Boost. I just clicked on it and it got me 2 matches on this profile picture. Yeah. And what it does, it just shows your profile to as many people as it can show near you. And if you used it once, then if you wanna use it again, then you will have to pay for it. Their goal is only to suck your money out. So I kept my bot running, but I also wanted to track the swipe counts properly. So I added that feature which also counted the number of swipes and likes happened. Yup, I am a genius. No, that's a lie. Okay, but running bot on my computer all time wasn't good idea, so sometimes I put it on Amazon Cloud Server. But I was running out of profiles now, and changing location manually seemed a very tedious job. So I parsed the top 100 most populated city around the globe. Then I wrote a program to fetch their geo coordinates, which will be latitude and longitude if you don't know, and converted all of them into a JSON and made my first library out of it, and also published it on npm, which is Node Package Manager, so that others can use it too. Remember to always contribute. Then I just had to add the functionality in my bot to randomly pick any location from the top 100 list. Alright, that was working so well. So that got me around 10-20 matches in 10 days. Yes, that's awful. I know. And if you think it's just because I am a kid, that's also a lie. I told my friends also to use Tinder because they don't look like a kid or they are not kid. I also tried adding something which wasn't normal. No, I am not going to read it, okay? And after all, no matter what I do, they barely got any matches. I swiped more than 100,000 girls across globe, from New York to London to Tokyo to Japan and so on. It kept going until I got banned. Yeah, you heard it right. They banned me. No matter what I did, I wasn't able to get any profile to show up. Then I also contacted Tinder. But guess, they knew I screwed them. That's why they are not going to help me. I waited 3 days, but nothing happened. So the last option was to delete my account and create new one. which I eventually did. Then also restored the purchase, obviously. And this time I added something funny to my profile like 404 not found, trying not to get banned again. And at last, how can we forget about this dead clip? Yeah, that's my favorite. The number of swiped people was around 100,000, but this time I didn't want to get banned again, so I made the swiping time random and also told the program to pause after swiping certain amount of people so that Tinder thinks that I am human, and that worked pretty well. I also started getting matches. I talked to few of them and it turned out that girls have thousands of matches, which is pretty obvious. Then someone suggested me to select everyone in profile settings and see how creepy boys are on Tinder, and it turned out to be true. Then I swiped 100 people and counted men versus women to get the ratio. It turned out there were 90 men and 10 women, which tells us for every girl there are 9 guys out there. So, guys, if you are thinking you will buy Tinder Plus or Gold, just don't. You are not going to get any girl. They just want to rip your pockets. Trust me. Trust me. And at last I ended up with around 50 matches, and again something went wrong with my account. So, moral of the story, don't use Tinder, stay single. Alright, and also share this video with your friends so that they can also hear the Tinder story. Hit that like button if you enjoyed. If you didn't, hit that dislike button. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to support my work, please visit patreon.com/creativej and become a member. Alright, thanks for watching. See you soon and take care, guys. Bye bye.